Today, we're delving into the much-anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that's poised to redefine the sub-250-gram category. Known for its portability and high performance without the hassle of registration in many regions, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to bring significant upgrades to the table, making it a potential game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals alike. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a larger 1-inch sensor, a considerable upgrade from its predecessors. This enhancement would deliver superior low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper image quality. For a drone that remains under the 250-gram threshold, such a feature would not only be unprecedented, but would also provide users with capabilities typically reserved for more robust, heavier drones. This makes the Mini 5 Pro an attractive option for those who need high-end performance in a lightweight, less portable package, ideal for travelers, content creators, and anyone who values portability without compromising on quality. One of the most exciting aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its expected camera capabilities. Rumors suggest it could offer 4K video recording at 60 frames per second with advanced image stabilization to ensure smooth footage. These features would make the Mini 5 Pro a versatile tool for capturing high-quality content, whether you're filming casual footage or more professional projects. The enhanced stabilization would be particularly beneficial for maintaining steady shots in challenging conditions, such as windy environments or when filming on the move. Despite its advanced features, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain a competitive price point, with estimates suggesting it could be around $999. This would position it as an affordable option within the sub-250 grams category, appealing to a broad audience while still offering professional-grade capabilities. Keeping the price accessible is crucial for the Mini 5 Pro's success, especially in a market where consumers are increasingly looking for value without sacrificing performance. By offering high-end features at a reasonable price, DJI could ensure that the Mini 5 Pro becomes a top choice in the compact drone segment. Based on DJI's release patterns and recent industry leaks, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to be introduced around September 2024, approximately a year after the Mini 4 Pro. This timing would align with DJI's typical product release cycle, ensuring that the Mini 5 Pro hits the market when consumer interest is at its peak. A fall release would strategically position the Mini 5 Pro as a must-have item for the holiday season, potentially driving strong sales during one of the busiest shopping periods of the year. By timing the release strategically, DJI could maximize the impact of the Mini 5 Pro's launch, capturing the attention of both new and existing drone enthusiasts.